Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another Marine ECM. This time working on, let me just see, 5.7 liters. This is a 1997 Mastercraft. This is, I think it's a MEFI 1. Let me just see, I think I might have marker. Well, you will be able to see that his name is Chris Graham. So this is your computer. I have it connected, not plugged in. I mean, sorry, it's plugged in, but it's not on yet. So we're going to do a test on his computer. He said, let me just see. So this is an Indmar with a 5.7 liters. The boat accidentally had the battery pulse reverse, and it was not noted until the starter spun backwards. Then I have made my mistake. The ECM does function to some extent, but with gauges, a starter, etc., working by the fuel pump will not run since this event. However, this is a trace voltage shown. There is a trace voltage shown of about 0.8 volts. The boat repair shop stated that they can get the fuel pump to work, therefore they feel the ACM is a problem. The model for the ACM is, yes, that's a MEFI 2. I have included the pin now, which thank you so much, but I have everything. And he's from uh, Odo Medonte, Ontario, Canada. Right? Again, his name is Chris. Chris, this is your computer. All right, so you see I have it open up. Don't remember properly if I will have to see the files, but I think this was halfway open. All right, so I have also fiber reference and sensor ground connected into that multimeter. So let me power this up. This is the fuel pump substitute value that should come on when power up, and it's not. And we don't have fiber reference either. So that is not a good sign for this computer. Let's try to connect to it. So we're going to go over again to Rinda, and we're going to select MEFI 1 to 4, and we're going to try to detect the engine computer. All right, it looks like we have no communication. All right, so this is dead computer. Well, let me just see if it says it runs. Let me see, the ACM does not function to some extent with the gauges, the starter, etc. Working by the fuel pump will not run since this event. However, there is a trace of voltage. The boat repair shaft, the fuel pump will run. Okay, so then they don't say, or he does not say here, it actually said that the boat runs. I mean, I don't suspect that this is the, like this is a running computer. We got no fiber reference, and I still got, the order of MEFI here from Craig in Missouri. I'm going to power this off. So I'm just going to unplug this. I'm going to put the phone kind of like in a different angle, but I wanted to keep this recording. Let me move this phone a little bit so you can see. Yes, you can see here the module. Perfect. So let me unplug uh, Chris. I'm going to leave it here and leave it open, no matter what. I mean, there's nothing that we have done or we can do yet with it. I hate this um, GUI clear code or whatever that they put on these modules. It's very sticky. All right, let me connect this one. This is a FE2. This is the 7.4 liters from Craig. All right, so let me pick up the phone. Hopefully you see, yeah, you guys were able to see all that. And this is just to prove that indeed we have a very good connection and communication to it. I always try to make everything as crystal clear so there is no misunderstandings later. This computer works good. So, all right, so we're going to power up. We see the fuel pump coming on and the fiber reference. So again, nothing is touched, everything is the same. This computer runs. And this computer, if I go now and I try to communicate with, so again, I'm going to select the same FE1 through 4, and then this will immediately, you see, I can communicate to this computer. And I can now read data. So Greg is good, Chris is no good. But I guess he knew that because this is a connected backwards computer. So I'm gonna have to analyze what I can do with that. But Chris, I'm in the process of working on your computer, so I will update you as soon as I know what I can do or not with this module. All right, guys. Again, a short update video for the customers. I hope that you understand what I'm trying to do here and also show my connections and everything that I do and that you like the content. I'm very exhausted. I'm sorry. Maybe I sound really tired, but yeah, it's been a long day for me. All right, guys. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.